Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German Grammar. In this video, you will be learning about the question word wo.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for learning German for free and in the easiest way. We offer structured courses for A1, A2, B1 and B2 and a variety of topics from grammar and vocabulary to common mistakes one can make in German. You can visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, podcasts, transcripts, early access to our videos, and more.
Fragewort wo. Wo ist ein Lokalfrageadverb, wo du nach einem Ort fragst. A local question adverb where you ask for a place. To understand this, we need to look at a few questions. And here is the first one. Wo wohnst du? Wo wohnst du? As discussed in the previous video, all the W-Wörter stand at the first position in a question, followed by the verb. Wo warst du? Wo warst du? Wo asks about a position, and the answers show a position. Eine Position oder ein Standort, where there is no movement. Here you would use prepositions that take the dative case. Zu Hause, beim Arzt, im Büro, hinter dem Auto und so weiter. Let's see some more questions that you can start with wo. Wo treffen wir uns dann? Wo treffen wir uns dann? Wo ist meine Tasche? Wo ist meine Tasche? Wo ist Paul? Wo ist Paul? Wo finde ich meine Uhr? Wo finde ich meine Uhr? Do you also know some questions that begin with wo? Do let us know in the comments. Sometimes there is a lot of confusion between wo and wohin. You can watch our video on this topic. The link is in the description. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. To practice what you have learned, become a patron free of cost and download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. All links can be found below in the description. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!